Okay, let's turn our attention to high strength 90 and the advantages it offers over competitive laminating spray adhesives. I've pre-coated a couple of substrates here that are common for high strength 90, high pressure laminate, and steel. These coupons are coated with high strength 90 and the competitive spray. One thing a lot of competitive laminating sprays have is thumb appeal. This tacky PSA feeling gives a sense of good adhesive, but what first seems appealing really turns for the worse quickly. Here's high strength 90. As you can see, it's not a very tacky adhesive. When I first coated these panels yesterday, I had them both coated all the way to the top. What this demonstration shows is that initially the adhesion was easily rolled off, and now a day later you can see that the adhesive still easily rolls off. The adhesion properties of the PSA adhesive, as well as creep resistance and the way it affects heat resistance in a bond, is not very good. 90, I can't even use my fingernail to get started. As you can clearly see, 3M High Strength 90 was formulated to be a high strength adhesive. It was formulated to stick, not just to be sticky. I've got another demonstration I'd like to show you that is going to speak a little bit to the failure modes inside the bond line. These were also made yesterday, and I coated both panels, rolled them down really strong, and let them stay overnight. Now, as you can see, the competitive spray adhesive likes itself, but it's not a very strong bond. So what we have here is a clear example of adhesive failure. There's absolutely no adhesive on the bottom here. Okay, now let's take a look at high strength 90. The bonds were created again the same way yesterday, and this is going to be a good example, if I can get it apart, of a very high strength adhesive for one. So this failure that I finally did get a little bit really does show cohesive failure, which is a much better mode for your adhesive to fail. So the thumb appeal that some people think is so appealing doesn't seem so appealing now. What would you rather have in your bond line, the competitor or 3M High Strength 90?